Thank you for taking this sales training course on Enphase EV chargers. Electric vehicles are rapidly gaining popularity as they have proven over many years now to be a reliable, functional, and affordable alternative to conventional internal combustion engine vehicles. Today, there's an unprecedented level of investment into electric vehicle technology and financial incentives for buying EVs and charging equipment. For this reason and many others, we believe the future is electric. When Henry Ford first started pitching his Model T, most Americans were skeptical at best. We're at a paradigm shift, not just with the types of vehicles we drive, but with the way we power our vehicles. The two will go hand in hand, and when the light bulb goes off for homeowners, that they can not only create their own electricity, but they can create their own fuel for their vehicles, we're going to see an incredible revolution. We want you to be at the forefront of this and the person that your homeowners thank for helping them connect the dots. Let's take a look at some numbers related to EV growth and investment in the United States. Today, about 4.6% of cars on the road in the U.S. are EVs. In the last 2 years, $85 billion has been spent on manufacturing EVs, batteries, and EV chargers in the United States. And billions have been invested by major auto manufacturers on developing new EV models and charging networks. As demand for batteries for both EVs and backup power systems has skyrocketed, the need to improve battery technology and manufacturing capacity has never been more urgent. $24 billion was spent in 2022 by U.S. companies on batteries alone, more than 28 times the investment in 2020. $700 million has been invested by U.S. companies just on EV charging, which is the focus of this course. The number of EVs sold has increased 3 times in just the last 2 years. The Inflation Reduction Act has accelerated the adoption of EVs with investment into charging infrastructure and by providing various financial incentives for both customers and manufacturers. $7.5 billion is expected to be invested into a huge network of 500,000 EV chargers across the country, which will make it easier for EV drivers to find convenient charging stations and reduce range anxiety. There is a federal tax credit of up to $7,500 available for many EV models. For EV chargers and installation costs, there is a 30% federal tax credit, as well as many state and local rebates. $20 billion has been earmarked for U.S.-based manufacturers of clean vehicles. 17 U.S. states are weighing whether to adopt California's zero-emission program. With all these investments and incentives, experts project that 32% of light-duty vehicle sales will be EVs by 2030. Why should you be interested in selling EV chargers? EV chargers are both simple to sell and simple to install. If you're selling solar now, including an EV charger in your proposal is a natural fit, primarily because it's a perfect opportunity to offer a larger PV system which can accommodate their EV charging needs. About 1 kilowatt of additional solar power is needed for 5,500 miles of driving annually. For an average driver, that's about 3 kilowatts of extra solar per EV. The Inflation Reduction Act made EV chargers and installation costs eligible for a 30% investment tax credit, just like solar and home battery systems. Solar companies have been slow to include EV chargers as part of their offering. By offering an EV charger and sizing the solar PV system for the customer's charging needs, you'll stand out among your competitors who are only selling solar. A complete energy management package, including EV charging, is a compelling offer and has the potential to solve multiple problems for your customers. This will in turn generate many high-quality referrals, the best leads you can get. In summary, offering EV charging along with solar and battery storage will add value for your customers and make your proposal stand out. All of the larger national solar integrators recently started incorporating EV charging into their platforms. However, most of them are fragmented solutions, meaning the EV chargers are made by other companies. With Enphase, homeowners can have a complete end-to-end home energy management solution manufactured by one company with one warranty and one number to call for support. In 2021, Enphase acquired Clipper Creek, a leading manufacturer of EV charging equipment with a long-standing reputation for producing high-quality and reliable EV chargers. Clipper Creek and Enphase share the values of quality and service and are always putting the customer first. The founder of Clipper Creek designed, manufactured, and sold their first EV charging equipment in 1994 and participated in the standards committees like UL and the Society of Automotive Engineers to help create the standards which are used today for safety and installation. In 2000, they were awarded the exclusive contract for the Ford U.S. Postal Service electric fleet. Clipper Creek was incorporated and officially founded in 2006, and by 2008 became the supplier of high-power charging stations for the Tesla Roadster and BMW electric Mini Cooper pilot programs. Clipper Creek also provided the technology and internal components for the Level 1 chargers included with EVs produced by major auto manufacturers like GM, Ford, BMW, and Volkswagen. During this period, Clipper Creek developed a line of products tailored for residential and commercial use, with a range of accessories to accommodate any type of commercial EV charging scenario. Over 110,000 of our Level 2 chargers were sold during this time period. By bringing Clipper Creek into the family, Enphase can now offer a complete home energy management system to homeowners with solar power, battery storage, load management, and EV charging. We have big plans related to EV charging which we'll execute over the next few years. In the first half of 2023, we'll be adding cloud connectivity to our HCS line of chargers, which will allow the user to monitor and control EV charging with the Enphase app, the same app used for solar and battery storage monitoring today. Later in 2023, we plan to release our next generation of charging stations with features like green charging, scheduling, and sophisticated energy monitoring with the Enphase app. In 2024 and beyond, we'll be focused on integrating the electric vehicle as an additional power source for the home or utility grid, commonly called vehicle-to-home, V2H, or vehicle-to-grid, V2G. Tapping into the large EV battery for backup power or utility savings will add a lot of value for both the system owner and for the solutions offered by our installers. Solar installers offering the full suite of Enphase products will have just one partner for ordering and support, and homeowners will have peace of mind knowing their entire energy management system is designed to work together, and they'll have one app to monitor and control all aspects of the system.